Hi, Hassan asked me how to deal with merging lanes. So in this video we will talk about how to detect a merging lane from a distance and about the required steps you have to take to change the lane. Here we go. In your exam area you will find probably at least one road situation like this. You are driving along a road, everything looks the same, but here you have two lanes and there it is just one lane. So we talk about a merging lane. If you miss this little detail and you just go straight ahead without taking any action, you may cause an accident and probably will fail your exam. So the key to avoid that mistake is to detect the merging lane as soon as possible. Therefore we have 4 indicators. The first one is following sign. This sign tells us that the road is getting more narrow and you probably have to change the lane or get more into the middle. The question now is, who has priority? You in the blue car or the black car? According to this sign, there is no strict priority rule who's going first. So in common sense, the one who's entering first is entering first. However, if you're not sure, it is much more recommendable to slow down a little bit and let the other one pass first, that you avoid a crash. Alright. The second indicator how to detect a merging lane is this sign. Pay especially attention to signs like this. Why? It tells us that we on the right have to merge into the left lane, and in this case the car on your left has priority because his lane is going on. Quite often you do have actually no sign advising you that a merging line is coming ahead. But if you look carefully on the floor, you can see arrows and lines helping you. So in this case, we have a lane, a continuous lane, which is not allowed to be crossed, and an arrow pointing out to the left. In the video right now, it might look very easy, but remember, it could be dark, it can be rainy, and then it's very difficult to see the lines. So pay especially attention to the floor to don't miss such lanes, please. Additionally to lanes and arrows on the floor, you might find another sign, which is in this case the bus sign. So it means from now on buses are allowed to go straight on, but you as a car driver have to turn left. So it's even another indicator telling you, please be careful because you have a merging lane. If you have detected a merging lane, the required steps are following. The first step is looking into your back mirror. Why to check the back mirror? Because you have to know what's going on behind you. Step number 1. The second step is looking into your left mirror to check what's going on your left hand side. Step number 2. After having checked all mirrors, you have to indicate to the left. And last but not least, what is missing? Obviously, the famous Schulterblick. Turn your head to the left to make sure that in the blind spot is no car left before turning to the left. So don't forget the Schulterblick. Alright, these are the 4 steps you have to do to change a lane. If you think of another difficult road situation, describe it in the comments and make it the topic of my next video. Hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.